Good morning, Sarah. What time did you wake up this morning, my friend?
I woke up at 6 o'clock because I like to start my day early.
That is very early for me. I usually stay in bed until 7 o'clock.
Do you use an alarm clock to help you wake up on time every day?
Yes, I set my phone alarm and I place it across the dark room.
That is a smart way to make sure that you actually get out of bed.
It works every time. What is the very first thing that you do daily?
I always drink a large glass of cold water to wake up my body.
I prefer to have a hot cup of black coffee before I do anything.
Does the caffeine help you feel more energetic during the early morning hours?
It definitely does. Without coffee, I feel very sleepy for a long time today.
After I drink my water, I spend 10 minutes doing some light stretching.
I should try to stretch more often because my back is always very tight.
It makes a huge difference in how I feel for the rest of the day.
Do you eat a big breakfast before you leave your house for work?
No, I usually just have a small bowl of oatmeal with some fresh fruit.
I like to eat eggs and toast when I have enough time to cook.
Cooking a hot breakfast takes too much time during my busy morning routine lately.
I agree with you. Most days, I just grab a simple granola bar instead.
We both have very different ways of starting our busy days, it seems.
How long does it take for you to get ready in the morning?
It takes me about 45 minutes to shower and get dressed for work.
I am much faster than that. I can be ready in only 20 minutes.
You are very lucky. I have to spend time fixing my long, messy hair.
My hair is very short, so I do not have to worry about that.
What time do you usually leave your house to start your daily commute?
I leave at 8:15 so that I can catch the express bus downtown daily.
Does the bus arrive on time, or is it often late in the morning?
It is usually on time, but sometimes the heavy traffic causes a short delay.
I prefer to drive my own car so that I can listen to music.
Driving in the city is too stressful for me during the morning rush hour.
I understand your point. Finding a parking spot can also be a big problem.
Exactly. The bus is much cheaper, and I can read my favorite book too.
That sounds like a very relaxing way to travel to your office every morning.
It is. I usually finish one whole chapter before the bus reaches my stop.
I might try taking the train next week to see if I like it.
You should. It is a great way to save money on expensive gas prices.
I will check the train schedule on my phone later this evening, Mark.
Let me know if you decide to try the train on Monday morning, Sarah.
I will definitely tell you all about my experience if I do that.
What is the very first thing you do when you get to work?
I always check my emails and write a list of my daily tasks.
Writing a list is a great way to stay organized during a busy day.
It helps me remember everything that I need to finish before I go home.
Do you have many meetings during the middle of your average workday?
Yes, I usually have at least 2 or 3 meetings every single afternoon.
That sounds very tiring. I prefer to work alone at my quiet desk.
I like talking to people, but sometimes I just want some peace and quiet.
What time do you usually take a break to eat your lunch every day?
I eat my lunch at noon. I always bring a sandwich from my home.
I usually go out to the small cafe across the street for lunch.
Eating out every day can become very expensive over a long period of time.
You are right. I should start bringing my own food to save some money.
It is also much healthier because you know exactly what is in your food.
That is true. I eat too much fast food when I am very busy.
Do you take a walk during your lunch break to get some fresh air?
Only if the weather is nice. I do not like walking in the rain.
A quick walk helps me focus better during the rest of the afternoon hours.
I will try to go for a walk with you tomorrow if it's sunny.
That would be lovely. We can walk to the park near the office building.
What time do you finally finish your work and head back to home?
I finish at 5 o'clock and I arrive home around 5:30 every evening.
The first thing I do when I get home is change into comfy clothes.
Me too. I love wearing my favorite sweatpants and a big, soft t-shirt.
Do you have to cook dinner for your whole family every single night?
Yes, I usually cook something simple like pasta or a fresh green salad.
My wife usually cooks dinner because she is a much better cook than me.
You are very lucky to have someone who prepares delicious meals for you.
I am. I always help her by washing the dirty dishes after we eat.
That is a fair deal. I wish someone would wash my dishes for me.
After dinner, do you spend your time watching television or reading a book?
I usually watch the news for 30 minutes to know what is happening.
I prefer to watch a funny movie or a sports game on the weekend.
Sometimes I spend too much time scrolling through social media on my phone.
Everyone does that lately. It is a very hard habit to stop doing, honestly.
I am trying to spend more time on my new hobby, which is painting.
I did not know that you were an artist. What do you like painting?
I love painting colorful flowers and beautiful landscapes from my various travel photos.
That sounds like a very relaxing way to spend your quiet evening time.
It really is. It helps me forget about all the stress of my work.
Do you have a specific routine that you follow before you go to sleep?
Yes, I always make sure that I prepare my clothes for the next day.
That is a great habit. It must save you a lot of time daily.
It really does. I also make sure my bag is packed and ready to go.
I like to write in my journal for a few minutes before bed.
What do you write about in your journal at the end of the day?
I write about 3 things that I am very grateful for that day.
That is a very beautiful habit to have. It keeps your mind very positive.
It helps me sleep much better because I am not worried about anything.
What time do you usually turn off the lights and go to sleep?
I try to be in bed by 10:30, so I get 8 hours of sleep.
I am usually asleep by 11 o'clock. I need my rest to feel good.
Getting enough sleep is the most important part of a healthy daily routine.
I agree. If I do not sleep well, I am very grumpy the next day.
I will make sure to stay away from you if you are grumpy.
That is a very good idea. I am not very nice without my sleep.
Well, it was very interesting to hear all about your daily routine, Sarah.
I enjoyed our conversation too. It's good to share our daily habits together.
I will see you tomorrow morning at the office. Have a good night's rest.
Good night, Mark. I hope you have some very sweet dreams tonight. Sleep well.